Hello guys, this is Boy TV. Welcome back to another amazing video on my YouTube channel. The withdrawal on this particular platform has been confirmed. You can see 1st of 10th 2025 around to 6 p.m. That is a few hours ago. That is when I confirmed this withdrawal, right? So this is a new Naira platform that will allow you to make money by little investment. All right. This particular platform I have registered, but I'm going to show you guys step by step how to register on this particular platform. You can see I withdraw 80,000 naira and they charge me 4,000 naira and they give me 76,000 naira. All right, so let me show you guys how this platform works and how you can leverage on it and start making cool money for yourself in this new month of October. Well, first of all, make sure you like this video, share to friends, subscribe and turn on the bell icon so that when next I post amazing video like this, YouTube will notify you and you come and watch and benefit from it. All right, so let's dive into today's video. So this is how this platform works. It's basically this is a tutorial account. All right, this is a tutorial account. So if you start with 3,000 naira, you are going to be getting 1,350 per day, and the duration for this particular one is the duration is 3 days. You stand. The duration is 3 days, which means you can only use this. You can only this particular investment is going to last for 3 days. All right. So at the end of 3 days, you'll be getting 4,050 naira. But daily check-in is 114 naira. So then daily you'll be getting 1,350, and the withdrawal is daily. Once you have up to 1,000 naira, you can withdraw. All right. So let's go back to home. Let's go back to home. You can see this home now. You can see there is 140 here because I have checked in. There is 140 here because I have checked in. Just calm down. I'm going to show you guys how to register, because if you register here, you have to translate this to English. All right, this is Portugal or something like that. This is Portuguese language, or I think it's Morocco or something like that. So if you register, I have to translate it to English, but I will show you guys everything in a little while. All right, so this is balance, checking balance, because this is a tutorial account. I just register this account and sign and check in, so that is why it's showing this 1,114 naira. So if you go to let's go to deposit now. Let me show you guys how this particular platform works. So the minimum you can deposit here is 3,000 naira. Then if you deposit, then either you choose deposit channel 1 or channel 2. It's same thing, but just that they are going to generate different account number for you. All right, so that is just it. Either you choose deposit channel 1 or deposit channel 2, they are going to generate different account number for you. So once you generate the account number, head over to your bank app and make the payment. All right, so let's assume you have made the payment. Let's go to let's go back, then this is how to do your check-in, your daily check-in. If you register, come to this place that says daily check-in, then daily sign-in, then click on that place. You will get, if I click on it now, you can see this language is in Portuguese. I think this should be Portuguese or Mexico or whatever, I don't understand, but I will show you guys how to translate it to English. All right, then you click on this one, this light yellow one, because you are here to check in. Then check in, but the return that you have already registered, you can see. So for you to register, click the link I'm going to be leaving on the video description. So if you click the link, it will bring you to this interface. All right, you can see here now it says English. Register, enter your phone number, enter your password, then verification code. So that is what you will do. If you register, just put your phone number. Let me show you guys an example, so that you will not be like, let me put my second phone number here. Let me put this, then input a password. So I just input a password now. So for you to when you are registering, just make sure that the first 0 of your phone number, you removed it. All right, make sure you remove the first 0 of your phone number. Then click on send verification code. SMS sent successfully. So they will dictate this successfully. Then they will have to fill it by themselves, and you have to, once they fill it, all you have to do is just click on register. All right, click on register. Congratulations, your account registration has been successful. So now you click on this place to input your details. So once your account has been created, the next thing they will ask you to input your details, the same phone number you used and the same password you used when you are signing up. Then now you click on login, right? Click on login. So let's wait for them to validate this. Make sure you like this video, share to friends, subscribe and turn on the bell icon so that when next I post amazing videos like this, YouTube will notify you and you come and watch and benefit from it. All right, you can see login successful. Then I think they are going to, okay, I so much love the interviews of this platform, even though they're not going to last long, but at least we are going to make a little money from them from now till 10th or 15th of this month. I think we should be cashing out massively from this particular platform. All right, so here now, enter the same password you use on this particular place. All right, enter the same password you used on this particular place. So once you enter this, then click on this send OTP. They are going to send OTP successfully. Then they will still fill it in. They will not have to send. You can see. Then what you have to do is just click on the place that says update password. All right, to update this password. Then once you update this, please enter. Okay, sorry, they mean 6 digits. So here now they need your transaction password, which is 6-digit number, right? So once you enter it, you click on update. All right, password changed successfully. This is not a password. This is just 6-digit transaction number, right? Then you can see this is a new account. Then once you are here, click on daily sign in. Then click on this particular one I showed you guys earlier. This first one. Click on daily sign in. You can see they have given me 120. All right, they gave me 120, but earlier was 140. All right, so that is just it. Then click on this deposit. For you to deposit, click on here. You band your deposit 3,000, 9,000, 15,000, 30,000. Then go to your to product. This is where you see products. This is let's go back again. Hold on, guys. Right, this is where you see product here. Then this product here, this first one, this product, this club, this community, this customer. So let's go to products. Go to products. Now you can see different products. If you purchase this one, you can join their Telegram channel to be updated on this particular platform. If you purchase this particular one now, let me skip this because I'm already in the Telegram. If you purchase this one of 3,000 Naira, you'll be getting 1,350 for the next 3 days. Then you can purchase it already. This one you can purchase it just once. Then this one of 8K, you'll be getting 1,680 for the period of 7 days. You can also purchase this one once. This particular one of 20K, you'll be getting 3,000 every day for the period of 10 days. You can only purchase this one once. All right, I think almost all their products here are once. All right, this is 150K. This is the one this is the last one they have for now. So that is just it. For you to invite more people, for you to invite friends, click on community. They not bring up the transaction, this thing translation icon for me to translate this, but it's fine. I've shown you guys how to translate it, right? Then click on that community, then copy your referral link, share to friends, family. Once they come on board and you can see it here, then scroll down, click on this place that says invite. In this particular place that says invite, click on it. Your referral link will be copied automatically. Then go and invite people. Once they come on board, register and start making money on this particular platform, you'll be getting, I think, 10% or 15% commission. All right, that's all for today. Make sure you like this video, share to friends, subscribe and turn on the bell icon so that when I post a video like this, YouTube will notify you. Okay, this is it. Level 1 20%, level 2 3, then level 3 1. All right, see you on my next video. Peace.